Welcome to our VirtuaLaw legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the case of Reyes versus Almanzor, G.R.No. L-49839-46. This landmark case was decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines on April 26, 1991. Let's dive right into it. Facts. The petitioners, Jose B. L. Reyes and Edmundo Reyes, are the owners of parcels of land situated in Tondo and Sta. Cruz districts, City of Manila, which are leased and entirely occupied as dwelling sites by tenants for a monthly rental not exceeding 300 pesos, P 300.00, in July 1971. Around that time, Presidential Decree No. 20 was issued, prohibiting the increase of rentals of properties leased for rentals not exceeding P 300.00 monthly and ejecting lessees after the expiration of the usual legal period of lease. In 1973, Respondent City Assessor of Manila reclassified and reassessed the value of the subject properties based on the schedule of market values, which entailed an increase in the corresponding tax rates. The petitioners filed a memorandum of disagreement with the Board of Tax Assessment Appeals, TA, but their appeal was denied. Issue: whether the use of the comparable sales approach in the assessment of the properties is reasonable. Ruling: the Supreme Court held that the use of the comparable sales approach was unreasonable. The court reasoned that the market value of properties covered by PD No. 20 cannot be equated with the market value of properties not covered. The former has naturally a much lesser market value in view of the rental restrictions. Consequently, the use of the comparable sales approach in the assessment of the properties on the ground of uniformity is unreasonable. The court also held that the petitioners were entitled to the income approach in determining the land values. The court reasoned that the income approach is more appropriate in the case of properties covered by PD No. 20, as it takes into account the fact that the rental income from these properties is restricted. Significance: the Reyes case is significant because it established the principle that the use of the comparable sales approach in the assessment of properties covered by PD No. 20 is unreasonable. The court also held that the income approach is more appropriate in the case of these properties. The Reyes case is still relevant today, as it provides guidance on the proper method for assessing the value of properties covered by rent control laws. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding landmark case helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.